welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're oldie but goodie, hi y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll know when I'm here. Well guys, today I just came to do a little mini haul to show you some things that I've been got long time ago. I just haven't been able to film or do the things that I normally do, but we're back. Busy working, doing other things, trying to network. You already know. But with that being said, let's hop right into what I came to show you guys. We have a little mini Ulta haul. I got these things a while back and I just never did it like I said. First we're gonna start off with this, it's called Matte Shiny Pretty Things. If you guys could see it. That light, yeah, look, stop the reflecting. Yeah, it's again, Matte Shiny Pretty Things All-Star Kit. And when they say All-Star Kit, we have a ruby red, no, it's called Ruby Woo, the mini lipstick by Matte. We have a Fit Plus spray, and we have some mascara. So let's open this up and let's play with this mascara. Ooh, it's hard to get this stuff out of here. Oh, no wonder. It's so cute. Look how many it is. It's a little mini. I got this from Ulta, and I don't know if it was a sale or what it is, but I got this little kit for $15. They got this stuff super. They got glue in the back of it. Okay. This is the mascara, and I just wanted to see what we were working with. Oh, look at the applicator, y'all. I like it. I like it. Uh-oh. I thought Maybelline. I thought Maybelline had a good mascara. Maybelline ain't got nothing on this matte. Where's my sponge? So we can get this on. It's already running. Well, not running. It just dabbed in the wrong spot. Dabbed in the wrong spot. But ain't nothing we can't correct. I'll tell you one thing, you don't have to put much of that stuff on there. It's on there. I like it though. Okay. This is our mascara. I like it. Where's my concealer brush? Trying to get the little excess off. Where's the concealer brush? I don't need it. I'll get the foundation brush. How about that? We're covered up with foundation. Anywho, how How you guys been doing? I hope all is well. Again, I just wanted to come on and show you guys some of the things we've gotten. I've been missing you guys so much. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm like, hey, how you use this? But you just twist it. Ah, man. It smells good. It smells like perfume. Where have I been all this time? It smells really good. And last but not least, look how cute this is. Look how cute it is. You guys know I don't do the lippy thing, but we're gonna try for y'all. It's not gonna show up quite with my lip gloss on, but we can't. Oh, that is pretty. We can't squash it. Y'all see that? Voila. It's cute. I have not. I just washed my hair, so I haven't put no adhesive glue on it until I show you guys these headbands. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys some more things that we've been getting. Gotta get up and go get prescriptions, so I am up and ready. Don't mind me being eggy at the arms, honey, because I just get out the shower and get ready to go to the pharmacy. I gotta go pick up some more blood pressure meds. Can you guys see that? I thought these were so cute. They were $5, and I ordered them. This one is, what color is this? This one is by Vintage Cosmetic. Make it clean sweet. And it's just a little headband we use to tie our hair back when we're doing makeup. They got these suckers loaded in here. And this one, I definitely got this one because it matches my robe. I'm talking about the same pattern and everything. But this like for a big head. Big head. Look how big that hole is. It's really cute though. It's soft. This one is like velvety. And this one is from Ulta Beauty. And it says Beauty Smarts Makeup Headband. This super soft makeup headband is the ideal for your beauty routine. Used to hold back your loose hairs while cleansing, maxing, applying makeup, and more. And you can wash this out by hand. I really liked it. And this was $5 as well. Well, guys, I just wanted to come and show you guys what we have gotten. Until next time, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.
Yeah, yeah.